Hey guys, it's time to play around with parts of speech. It's time to get creative. So today for writing, we're going to go to subject pages, language arts, into writing. And we're going to find our read all about. So email, parts of speech, keep scrolling until you reach our read all about. Here's my poster and you're going to make one similar. Remember to change the poster, we're going to click on the re-edit, read all about presentation. And that will pop up so that you can make some changes. So here's my poster. A noun, a person, place, or thing that I can't live without, of course, is chocolate. A verb or an action that I love doing is paddleboarding. An adjective that your friends or family would use to describe you, mine would be creative, but you're going to pick yours that represent you. But you're going to create a slide that's just like this. Your slide has to have a background of your favorite color, 2 pictures that represent your noun, 2 pictures that represent your verb, and 2 pictures that represent your adjective. To create your slide, notice there aren't any there. You're going to go up here, but don't click the plus sign yet. That's how you add a new slide, but I'm going to show you a trick so that yours is blank, so you don't have any boxes you might not need. So you click on the little arrow next to it, and you want to choose this one down here that says blank. That will enter your blank slide. This is the slide that you want to start putting your background in. So your background has to be of your favorite color. So you go up here to background. You're going to choose your image, or you can just make it a solid color, but to make it kind of a cool, like if I can just choose orange and it changes my color, or I can get crafty. Choose image, image search, and click on orange, or whatever your favorite color is. I'm searching orange for fun. And then you find a background that looks cool. Ooh, that one's neat. I like that one. Or let's see, ooh, this guy. Ooh, this side's pretty. So you kind of pick the orange that you like best. Ooh, this one's kind of fun. I like the squealy one. So click on the one you like and insert. And it will take up, done, your entire back screen. How cool does that look? So then you're able to start adding on top of that your words and your images. But your background is step number 1. Once you have your background, it's time to start adding words. I'm going to show you how you can use something that's already there instead of making more work for yourself. So if you go back to my slide, I have these 2 pieces that already have the words in them. So if you click on my read all about and you want to slide over so your cursor is that little like 4 arrow thing, and click again, and then Control C. See how there's no typing going on, but I have my highlighted box? That means I've Control and copied it. And then I can go back to my slide and push Control V. Now it's right there. If I want to put it in the middle, see how it's kind of left to the right, to the left here, and it's not necessarily in the middle? You go up here to this Align button and put it in the middle. I've already done. My heading is already done and I didn't even do anything. I could use work and work smarter. That's what's kind of cool when you're making something new. So then I can go back and take the name one. Again, click on the one box you want to highlight. Go to this side and make it that 4 arrow. Click again. Control C to copy. Go to your slide. Control V to paste. Up here to these lines of 4 lines to align and put it in the one that has the middle and then says center. And it's in the middle. But that's my name. So now you get to click on it and type your name. So let's say my name is Rita. Alrighty, you have a cool background that's your favorite color. You have a heading and a title that you could use what's already there. Next, it's time to put our boxes in. So this is what's cool. You can highlight a box, Control C, Control V. But the blue really doesn't go with your color. So if orange is my color, this blue does not match my favorite color. It doesn't even really match my background. So in order to change just a box's color, you'll see this one with a paint can tipped over. You want to fill this with, I don't know, yellow might look cool. That's a bright yellow. So you can kind of just mess around. Ooh, that one looks good. You can mess around with what types of colors you want your box to be. Then I'm going to go and steal the one for a verb. Click on it. Make sure that arrows, where'd that arrow go? Those 4 arrows. There they are. 4 arrows are up. Control C. Go to mine. Control V. Again, blue, not working it. Go to that dump can. Click on the one that represents you. I might make mine a little, ooh, that one looks kind of cool. Kind of a peachy color. Ooh, I think I like that one better. So you can kind of make it match your background. And lastly, I need to copy my adjective. Get that arrows. Get the one that has the 4 side arrows. Click on it, Control C, Control V, go to the paint can, and start to mess around, oop, too pink. Start to mess around with your colors and make it the way that you want it to look. Ooh, that looks cool. So I decided to make all my 3 boxes different colors because I kind of like how it looks. Of course, make it yours. It's reading all about you. Already, I have written very little words, but I already can tell the colors are reading all about me. That's when we read a book. Everything we see in a book is telling us a story. Here is your book. Tell your story. But your noun is probably not chocolate. So in order to change the words on your boxes, you click so that, see my blinking white cursor? I can then check out and say, a noun I can't leave without are my stuffed mouse. If you don't like the font, guys, you can highlight it and change the font. Choose all kinds of different fonts. It's completely up to you. I forgot my capital S at the beginning. A verb you love doing. So something I love doing is sleeping. Again, if you don't like the font, highlight it and change the font. It is your story that we're going to read. It's your slide. An adjective that your friends or family would use to describe you. So any word, maybe if you're at home, be like, hey mom, how would you describe me? Oh, okay. And then type that word in. So an adjective to describe Rita would be playful. And then I'm going to change that font to match my other ones. So far, so good. I have my noun, I have my verb, I have my adjective. I'm going to go back. I have a background of my favorite color, orange. Now I need my pictures for each one. This is where it gets fun again. I need a picture that represents a stuffed mouse. I'll give you a hint. Rita's my cat. So she's the one doing this slide. Stuffed mouse. So to insert a picture, you're going to go up here where there's this mountain of a picture and it says insert image. When you click on it, search the web for a picture. Stuffed mouse. Let's see what comes up here. Oh my gosh, how cute. So you can click on it and it will take a second and it's probably going to be huge. So then you want to resize it and put it in, just like on Jamboard, you can twist it and put it in all kinds of different ways. There's my first picture. Again, I'm going to go to my little mountain insert image, search the web, and find another one of a stuffed mouse. Ooh, that one's really cute. I want this one. Click. All I did was double click. It gets really big, make it smaller, and put it inside of my box. So there's my noun. I have my noun with 2 pictures that represent my word of 2 boxes. Let's try now a verb. All right, click on insert image. I need to search sleeping. And I'm going to search cat sleeping because she's a cat. This kind of looks, oh my gosh, how cute. That's what I want to put. So I double click. It gets really big. Resize it and stick it in your box. I need another one because the direction says 2. Search the web. Cat sleeping. It's another cute one. Oh, how cute is this one? I love it. Gets really big. Resize. And then I can put it inside. I can make it different ways. Again, you're making yours represent you. All right. Last one, playful is my adjective that describes me. Search the web. Now I need to find words playful. And I'm going to actually add cat because she's a cat. Playful cat. that cat doesn't look very playful. That looks like he's playing. That one's funny. That looks playful. I'm going to click on this one. Make it smaller. And stick it in the box. One more. Search the web. Playful cat. Let's see here. Search down a playful cat. Oh my gosh, how cute is that with its tongue sticking out? I don't see many of these guys being very playful. These are like quiet cats. Oh, these two are playing. Click on it. Gets really big. And I can resize it to put it in my box. And I kind of want to make sure it fits. That's a little too big, so I'm going to make it even smaller. And I can twist it just like on Google Jamboard. There you go, guys. I'm going to check my directions one more time. My background and my favorite color. 2 noun pictures that represent my noun. 2 pictures of a verb. And 2 pictures of my adjective. So you can, of course, go back and watch this in order to do all these little tricks. Have fun. All right. Bye.